Now, this is a very popular question I've been getting about being an Uber driver and a Lyft driver, especially if you're considering driving for Uber 2021 and driving for Lyft 2021. This is a big question to ask. Do you need a dash cam? My answer right off the bat is 100% yes. The reason why I say that is I look at having a dash cam very similar to having like insurance, like health insurance or car insurance. Now, hopefully, you'll never really need to use the dash cam, or I guess being more specific, use the dash cam footage. However, it is there in case anything goes wrong. I mean, we've heard all these stories about Uber drivers or Lyft drivers, having some tricky situation with the passengers in terms of them being attacked or their stuff being stolen or whatever the case is. And not only that, if you think about it, not only from your side in terms of the dash cam looking into the car, but looking in front of you, statistically speaking, kind of stinks to say, the more you're on the road, the more likely you are to be in an accident. And of course, if you get into an accident, you have that dash cam footage, and it becomes one of those situations of he said this, but she said that, or whatever. At least you're like, hey, I actually have the footage. I have the footage from that dash cam. Being honest, I think a dash cam might only be useful maybe 0.01% of the time. But it is that 0.01% of the time, or that smudge of time, completely unluckily, where something happens to you or someone in the passenger seat or someone in your car, or something happens with another car on the road, and luckily you do have that footage. You set it up once, you pay that amount once, and you just leave it on. You never have to touch it again. Now, granted, you could drive for years and never ever have to go back and look at that footage. And that's awesome. Just like with insurance. You could have health insurance and never even once go to the hospital or get sick, or have car insurance and never get into an accident. However, it's there just in case you need it. And it's the same thing with having a dash cam.